Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT to turn meeting agendas into slide decks. First of all, make sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account. Here, type in the prompt, create a conversation between a client and a company regarding sales. Make sure to write the agenda as well and hit enter. Now ChatGPT will be creating a hypothetical conversation between a client and a sales representative. So here you can see it's over here. Now what you need to do is you can also go to Canva, click on this create icon, and over here type in pitch deck or slides for presentation over here. Once it is open, now what you can do is you can simply go to the left menu, and in the design you will get a lot of slides. You can simply apply this by clicking on it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.